Hi, it's Stacey at Wayside Garage here with Jonathan, and and Alex is over there too. We actually have a client here that's having some maintenance done, which we love the fact that we're doing maintenance. It helps the car last longer. But one of the things that I noticed is the air filter.
Yeah,
so the engine,
dirty.
This is the engine air filter. It is extremely dirty.
Yeah, it's plugged up actually. Yeah, it's really hard to even see light through it.
What happens when the air filter is dirty?
So basically, your engine is an air pump. If you restrict the airflow, you're no longer getting the power.
And what about fuel economy?
It's going to affect everything. Yeah, your whole runnability of your vehicle, basically.
And aren't there sensors that are further down into the system that if they get dirty, then it's going to cause a check engine light?
Definitely can. Your mass airflow sensor, manifold pressure sensor.
This, I want to show you the difference here. This is the new filter, just so that way you can see what the difference is. We preach maintenance here. So very important to make sure that you take care of your vehicle if you want it to last. Give us a call at 831-899-2425 or schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. And these fine young men here will be happy to make sure that your vehicle stays on the road for many years and actually save you some money. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tech tips.